Hello everybody, in this video I want to show you the most basic default setup for using Node application with TypeScript. Okay, so I have here a directory, a repository that I have created, and now I will create package JSON file. Okay, so first, if you want to create a TypeScript file, you need to create a file with an extension ts. Okay, so let's do index.ts and let's do hello TypeScript, and let's see if this is working. Node index.ts. Okay, so it is working, but if you want to work with TypeScript in general, you want to define variables. So if you do something like num it is going to work, because what we have here is exactly like in JavaScript. But if we will use now type, for example, number, okay, number, now I'm expecting a problem because JavaScript does not have this, does not know what is number. Okay, so if we will try to run it, we will have an error, okay, because it is treated as JavaScript. So we need to do some configuration. Okay, so let's go and let's look for TypeScript and Node. Okay, so we have here the Node documentation, and let's see what we need to do. Okay, so you can read all about this, but what we need to do is to install TypeScript in development mode. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to install it, and if I will try to run it, it will still not work, because we need to do one more thing. We need to take this TypeScript file and compile it or translate it to JavaScript. Okay, and we compile or translate the TypeScript file to JavaScript file using the following: npx tsc and the name of the file. Okay, so the name of the file that we want to translate to JavaScript is index.ts. So index.ts, and you see now that we have an index.javascript. And now if I will run it, node index.js, you see that it is working. I see here there is a problem that you cannot declare block scope. It's because it has now two files. So if I remove it, I don't have the problem. So this is the configuration. You need to install TypeScript, you need to create TypeScript file, and you need to translate the TypeScript file into JavaScript file using npx tsc. So this is very, very basic configuration, very basic setup. But if you have one file and you want to start using it, this setup can help you start going. Thank you.